Hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making an avocado bread with 3 ingredients. You could use it as a sandwich, you could use it as a snack. The protein comes from the egg and the cheese. 3 ingredients. We have 1 egg, we have 1 avocado, and we have some grated cheese. And that's it. So we're gonna mush all that up together. Okay, so I've mixed it all up. And we're gonna make some spoons on a parchment. Then we're gonna bake it in the oven for 30 minutes and we'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so it's done and it's cooked. They smell amazing and they look good. I've cooled them down. There you have it. So you can make it as a sandwich, put something in between. You can eat it as it is. Avocado bread. Enjoy.